Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
Good morning. Is this the morning? No, it's afternoon now. Good afternoon, everyone. It is Saturday, January 20th. Whoa. 12 days to my birthday? No, 11 days to my birthday. My birthday. I can say like next week. But a lot happened today actually. I met a subscriber. Big up yourself, Suan. Her name is Suan. How ironic, but her name is Suan. Her name is Suan, and she seen me in the dollar store. So pretty. I love the support. She was like, girl, I watch your vlogs, but I don't comment. And I'm also following you on Snapchat, but I don't comment. But I was like, that's okay, because the fact that you watch and support, that means more than anything, like, you know. But I would like if you guys commented and stuff like that, you know. The interaction is like what we look forward to as YouTubers. That kind of validates, like, you see the numbers go up, but you want the comments just as much as the numbers, or even more. So yeah, as I was saying, it's a beautiful day today. It's supposed to be +6. I know you guys are probably like, how the hell is that beautiful? But girl, when you coming from -30 something degrees, +6 is like Christmas all over again. So I'm going to go to a dress fitting right now. You guys seen a couple weeks ago that or a couple vlogs back, if you watch my Vlogmas vlogs, you would have seen that somebody I know is getting married and has asked me to take part in their wedding. So we're gonna go and look for bridesmaid dresses today. So I'm gonna go do that and then come back because Marlon needs his car. So I gotta come back and give it to him. And then, yeah, I was supposed to do laundry, couldn't end up getting to do laundry. Laundromat was extremely full, so I gotta wake up tomorrow morning early and then come and do laundry. What else? And yeah, I've just been on this like cleaning up type of thing. I'm trying to get, as I said before, I think even in Vlogmas too, like this year I want to focus on like getting my space right, everything right. So I'm starting with my bathroom. So I put up my new curtain and mats and stuff and did everything, washed them a while. Anyways, I'm talking too much. I'm about to miss my appointment. I'm supposed to be there for 12:30 and it's 12:15 and it takes me about a half an hour. So let me put in this information and let me get where I'm about to go. I will see you guys when I get to David's bridal. Okay, bye. I said yes to the dress. Beautiful bridesmaid dress, funeral dress, bury me in dress. And I feel like I have boobs. So pretty.
No, remember that dress, the Zoe that you were saying?
Huh?
Want to try the dress that the girl had?
Oh, the one with the body.
Yeah. Where's she?
I don't even know.
What is that?
No, I didn't see it. Oh, that's in my hand. Look at it. It's so pretty.
Dad? Is that a Toy word? Beavers build her dad. No, it's not. That's a different one.
Hi guys! I just got back into my town after that fitting at David's bridal. Oh my god, it was so hectic, but we found the dress, as you guys would have seen. It's beautiful. It's really, really cute. It looks good on me. That's all I know. So car wash entrance. So I'm at the car wash right now because I know Marlon said he wanted to wash the car today, but I ran a little bit longer with the car, so I'm gonna wash the car. So we're going to the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sing it at a car wash, girl. Yeah, yeah. Come on and sing it with me. Car wash. We don't accept seasons pass. You know, at the car wash, girl. We don't accept car wash tickets from other petrol companies. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm at the car wash. Yeah, so yeah. I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. After this, I'm gonna go buy some food. I want some rice. I'm gonna eat rice
I think I haven't eaten rice for like 2 or 3 weeks now that I'm thinking about it, because I know Marlon was complaining the other day. He was saying that too much rice just because it's Sunday and I have to make rice and peas and something. So I bear yam, sweet potato, Irish potato, banana, dumpling we've been eating. So yeah, I'm kind of feeling rice. I would normally get noodles from where I'm gonna go buy food from. I would normally get noodles, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna get rice instead. All right guys, so let's go to the car wash and then we'll talk about the food after. Okay, bye. Woo. Wait, am I supposed to put it in neutral? Am I supposed to put it in neutral now?
Yeah, neutral.
Okay.
Laser,
yeah,
break.
I know now. Yeah. Okay, thanks you. Oh my god, I hate this shit, yo. This shit makes me so nervous every freaking time. This shit makes me so nervous. I hate the car wash. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! Jesus. The car is moving by itself. I ain't going nowhere and the car is moving and it's moving. Woo! Jesus. Oh my god!
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Hit that Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school.
Now to food. Wait. Can I go or not? Can I go or not? Okay. Push me up. 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 Can I go or no? Go. Okay. Potato. Just like that, we're done. So let's go get some food. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today. I don't know how I gain weight because I don't eat. Like I could literally go like the entire day without eating and I have an issue. So I don't know, but I don't know. I think my metabolism is just really slow. Is it slow? Is it slow? Slow, right? It takes longer to process down this stuff. I don't know, whatever, but you guys know what I'm saying, right? Slower metabolism is for people who are bigger. Like, yeah, like people with fast metabolisms are normally the ones that are smaller, right? Yeah, no. Anyways, yeah, so let me tell y'all, because I never got to tell you guys. I did tell Snapchat today, but I met a subscriber. I met her in the dollar store. Her name was Suan. Did I say this already? I feel like I'm being super repetitive, but if I did, oh well. I'm telling y'all again. I seen her and she bigged me up and she told me she watches. Yes, I was saying, because I was saying you guys need to comment and stuff like that. But yeah, comment on the videos, you guys. Like especially if like we ask a question. I'm just speaking on behalf of like all YouTubers. If we like ask a question and we say comment below, literally comment below. Or if you just see something about the video and you feel like you want to comment if there's something funny that happened or something, touch on it or something. Like I love especially when people pick up on things that I specifically picked up on or like said in the vlog, like for you to like notice and people notice it and comment it. Like I love it. I feel like my job was well done. but it's like, it's the worst thing when like you put up a video and you get like no comments or like 1 or 2 and you thought like this is like a good video. So yeah, comment below. Like the interaction is really what we live for, like, if that makes any sense. Like I love going through my comments, even other people's comments. Like I love going through the comments because it's like, yeah, you know, I just like comments. So please, for 2018, let's comment, like, and subscribe. You know, the subscribe part, it's not even that big of a deal to me. The likes, it's not really that big of a deal to me either. The comments is what I love. So please, my loves, my sugar plums, please comment for ZO-ESHAAA. Thank you. I was supposed to go with Kamisha, said I had to go and look for a dress from a party, but it never happened. Kamisha, I'm a grudge you, yeah, I need to find that ASAP. Like next weekend can't pass and I don't have my dress, and then I need shoes, and then I need accessories, and then I need all of them, something here and something here. And my birthday plans that I wanted to do don't seem like that's gonna be happening because everyone is whack. Like everyone is whack. Like why would you want to drive somewhere when I'm giving you transportation? Like why would you want to do that? But everyone wants to be like, oh, I'm gonna get my own ride, I'm gonna get here by myself. So you know what, fuck it. I was planning on getting a party bus and then going to this annual party that happens every year, like in dancehall. It's a party that happens once a year, and it's an Aquarius Capricorn type party. So that's where I'll be having my birthday, and yeah, that's where I'll be having my birthday. I got a table. So if you are in Toronto and you are liking dancehall and you want to come party with me, please do come. I do have some of my subscribers coming and partying with me that night, so that should be eventful. Some of them I already met and know in real life. Others I'll be meeting them for the first time, but I'm really excited. And then I'm not 100% sure exactly what else I want to do. I was gonna do bowling again, and I just felt like I don't want to do bowling, but also I have to work Saturday. The Saturday of my birthday weekend, I am working the day of from 9 to 4. So I gotta be up early. I don't want to be out too late because I gotta go to work. And then yeah, but I think I might do it because a lot of people aren't gonna be able to make it to Saturday. So I think I'm still gonna have it. And then I'm not sure if I'm doing a dinner this year, but I know my mom will kill me if I don't. Oh my god, I still have to go and order a cake. So yeah, I gotta make the drinking glasses for my party. I gotta pick up the other ones for my party. I want to see what I can make. I'm gonna see if I can do like for treats and stuff. I'm gonna see what exactly it is that I can make, and then have I gotta buy up like my chicken wings and stuff like that, because I'm gonna make some wings. And I don't know what else. I think chicken wings, maybe chicken wings and like festival. I think that would be lit. Chicken wings and festival, and some spring rolls. And I think I'm gonna call that a day, because I don't want anything that's gonna take up too much time, because as I said again, I have to work the day. So I gotta work till 4, decorate my table at the banquet hall, and then come back home. I don't know, because of the work that I have to do that day, I don't want to have nails on. So I got to come back home, do my nails. I'm gonna see if I can get the Friday off and do my hair the Friday. That way that's done and out of the way, because hair and nails just take forever to be done. And then yeah, and then get ready. And then I want to have like a pre kind of festivity type of something. Okay, sorry, you're behind me. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, I wanted to have some pre-festivities. Well, I never find parking. Was saying, so yeah, anyways, I'm at the mall now. I'm gonna go inside and get my food. Oops. You guys, I would tell you which YouTuber lives over there, but I'm not gonna do that to them, because I wouldn't want anybody to do that to me. But somebody lives over there, a very popular YouTuber. I'm at Woodbine Mall. But no worries, if because problem when I come here is there's too many Chinese food options, so I never know which ones to go with. But I'm gonna get the Fuxia Asian Kitchen today instead of bourbon because the lineup is way too long and that goodie is hungry. Okay.
Like this one? And one, 649?
Can I get the 2 meat and 1 vegetable? Rice. Can I get the mixed broccoli? Does shrimp count as a meat? How does it work? Okay. Let me get the orange chicken. And
Give me the this tastes different, the Asian grilled chicken and the barbecue pork.
and
Oh, okay. Give me the barbecue pork.
and let me get the black pepper beef.
And the orange chicken.
Nope, that's everything.